Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to save pictures of model in SolidWorks. First of all, I select this conveyor. Now I select Save. Scroll down the menu and here is the option Save As. Select Save As Type. Now here select JPG format. Now I rename it Picture 1. Select OK. Now I rotate the model. Select this face, Normal. Again select Save. Save As. Now I select Picture 2. Here select Save As Type. JPG format. Again select OK. Now again I rotate the model, zoom in, now select save, save as type, JPG format, rename it picture 3, select OK. Now we open the picture, I select this picture, see here, this is proper size, next picture. By saving in JPG extension, you can save the pictures of the model at different angles. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.